Duhop is just kidding. Me was just doing that to fool you. Yeah, it's Duhop here. I bet you thought the sound was broke on your YouTube. Nope, Duhop just an asshole. Duhop is here though to show you this. Got this right here in the mail. So we're gonna do like a little unboxing, or yet again like an unbagging. Duhop is like almost 1,000% positive that we know what this is, but you don't. Yeah! We got me blade. We're gonna pop this open. We're gonna do a quick unbagging video. So let's just cut this right open. Oh yeah! The paid bill. Oh, fucking cool. Duhop wants to show you that this is empty bag. Whoa, yeah! Holy shit. This is fucking cool. Do you guys want to see the front or the back first? Duhop will show you the front first. Are you ready? It's a t-shirt and it's awful fucking cool. Lucha Underground! Look how cool that is. And this is the backside. Lucha Underground. Duhop fucking loves Lucha Underground. We watch that every Wednesday at 8 o'clock on the LRAY network. Fucking awesome. Awesome action on the Lucha Underground. So, Duhop, of course, is a shill for the stupid shit that me love, and me bought a t-shirt. A very expensive Lucha Underground t-shirt. Duhop really likes it. Let's put it on and see how good it looks. Yeah! Look at that. Big old Lucha face, yeah. And the back, Lucha Underground. Lucha, Lucha, Lucha. Yeah, Duhop loves that. I hope you like my new t-shirt. Hey, Carly Cooncat. What do you think? Did Duhop nail it on me Lucha Underground shirt? What do you think? Not a single fuck was given. So guys, leave a comment and let me know if you think Duhop nailed the fuck out of it on me new Lucha Underground t-shirt. Yeah! Don't forget, gonna be at the NJCC this Sunday, March 22nd. Is it the 22nd? It is. March 22nd, we'll see you at the NJCC. Yeah, with Grim and all those other buggers. Me see you later. Yeah! Duhop here. And if you like me videos, what me want you to do is click like button and maybe leave a little comment. But definitely right under my face, do you see it? It's a little button called subscribe. We want you to click it. And then you can always see videos of Duhop and me dog Roscoe. Ain't that right, Roscoe? Give Daddy a kiss. Oh, there he is. He's such a good boy. Ah!